This video is sponsored by Buy Much e-shopping application. That application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store.
Words, listen carefully. Okay.
Objects. Okay. School object. School ki vastu. School object. What you will say? School ki vastu. Yes. What is the school? Yes. Very good. How you will say in Hindi? How you are going to say? For school, what you are going to say in Hindi? Vidyalay. How you are going to say? Vidyalay. Vidyalay. So, what are these things? These are and all school object. These and all school object. Blackboard. What is this? Blackboard. So, what you are going to? Shampat. What you are going to say in Hindi? Shampat. For blackboard, Shampat. Next, what is this? Chair. For chair, what you will say in Hindi? Kursi. What you will say? Kursi. Next, what is this? Table. For table, what you will say? Maze. What you will say? Maze. For table, what you will say? Maze. What you are going to say for table? Maze. Yes. Next object, what it's coming? Book. What you will say for book? Kitab. What you will say? Book. Kitab. Book. Kitab. So what is this? Book. Kitab. Book. Kitab. What is this? School bag. What you will say in Hindi? Basta. What you will say? Basta. What you will say for your school bag? Basta.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी। हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी। पानी में डालो तो तैर जाएगी। मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी। हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी। पानी में डालो तो तैर जाएगी।
Students, you have learnt all these words now. So, whenever you see this object, you have to say in Hindi only. Okay, I am going to ask you. I will ask you at that time. You have to remember and you have to say to me. You learn these objects. Okay, orally you learn this object. Okay. Dhanyavad bachcho. Thank you, students.